How to fix wrong credentials, invalid username, or password on Facebook. Good day, folks, and welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you quickly and easily how you can actually get through the process of not being able to log into your Facebook page. So let's jump straight in. The first thing you will be faced with is a page that looks like this, and you can go ahead now and you can see that it says this email address you entered is not connected to an account. You can find your account and log in here. So let's just say perhaps we want to enter our email address in over here, and the way to recover your account is by going ahead and tapping on the forgot password. Right over here you will see that you will have the opportunity to find your account. Please enter your email address or mobile number to search for your account. So right over here you want to go ahead and either enter that same email address in, or you want to enter your mobile number in. So once you enter your mobile number in here, you're going to go ahead and say search. Over here you can see that this number has been associated with an account, and over here you can either tap on the password and enter in that password, or you can go ahead and you can tap on forgotten account, or you can go ahead and tap on try another way, and over here it'll allow you to send a reset code to reset your password either via email to these details over here. And you can either choose a telephone or a cell phone number that you've previously used on the account, or you can go ahead and you can have it sent to an email account. So again, still, if this is not you, you're going to go ahead and tap on not you. Of course, if it is you and you'd like to make sure that you want to log into this account over here on the right hand side, you're going to go ahead, choose the option that you would like to choose and tap on continue. Once you have gone through that process, you will have received your code to reset your password, and you'll be able to reset your password, and then you're going to go ahead and you're going to enter your details in over here again on the right hand side, and you're going to tap on login, and if those details are correct, you're going to be able to enter in your Facebook account. You won't have any more issues with logging in. I hope you enjoyed this quick video, folks. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like, and if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section below. Happy Facebooking, people. Goodbye.